Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is Traders Delight and I welcome you specially to our weekly outlook. If you are joining us for the first time, you're welcome. Go ahead and subscribe because you're going to be getting a lot of amazing videos from this channel. Also turn on notification bells so that you don't miss out on the next videos that we'll be uploading on the channel, okay? All right, this is our weekly outlook and we are looking at Crash 300. Crash 300. So Crash 300 is one of the assets that are traded on Derif Broker. By the way, Derif is one of the best brokers out there. If you don't have an account, go to the description section and click the link. I placed a link there, register, and once you do that using my link, reach out to me on Telegram. I have something good waiting for you that will be very valuable to you. The Reef is very good broker to use, and they've been in the game for a while. They've been in the market for 25 years plus, and they have been very reliable. So I want you to have your account and then reach out. So this is Crash 300 in the synthetic indices, and we are looking at it for this week. Okay, this is weekly outlook. All right, like I said, if you enjoyed the previous video, I'm sure you will enjoy this even better. So our weekly outlook is usually where we look at the market, not like I being your financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just someone looking at the market. So you can do well to also look at it from your own angle and from your own bias, and then take your decision independent of whatever I'm sharing with you now. Okay. All right, so looking at this, we to in order to understand what is going on in the market, we need to go to the time frames that matter. We're going to start from the monthly time frame, and then we go down as far as what I want to explain today is. And like I said, all that we'll be doing when it comes to the markets, to the weekly outlook, will just be based on market structure. Teaching you analysis. If you really want to know how I analyze and how I pick my trades, reach out to me via Telegram. The link is in description, and then we'll discuss from there. All right, so let's look at the outlook for Crash 300 for this week. So let's go to the monthly time frame. And then we'll see that. Let's just zoom it out a little. You see, the monthly time frame seems to have been very busy, and since 2021, it has been going up. It has been rallying up. The bull seems to be in charge, and at a point, the sellers came in, and then they began to pull the market down. So ever since then, the market has been on a downtrend. All right, but something interesting is happening here since late 2023, and understanding that will give us perspective on where we are. So like we did before, let's get our horizontal line. I want to use this to explain some things. So like I said, I put the horizontal line at the body of the candle. So you see, that was a point. There was a time that level, the level that 3,754 was the level that price could not break. The sellers could not break it, and they tried it the first month, second month, the third month, and then they failed to break it, and then price went up and finally broke it. So that means price made, you can see it's a downtrend. It made a lower low, a lower high, lower low, and you can see, and this is another lower high. So this lower high came and broke this lower low, making another lower low here. All right. So when price decided to do that, the next thing we were expecting is that price will make a lower high and then continue further down. However, something interesting happened there. So if you look at this place, let me zoom out so that you can see what I'm saying. So look at this place, and this happened around you can see around 2023. The price tried to break this level upward, could not break it. Tried the first month, tried the second month, the third month, fourth month, and could not break this level of 4,432 upward. Let me place this one properly so we can get the actual place. It's 4,380. Could not break it, and then that was when we got the lower high that went further down to break the lower low and creating a new lower low. All right. So however, price came from that lower low rather than producing a new lower high and broke this level upward. So you see the bulls came in, the power was strong, they broke it upward, and then it went up. And on that note, so price ever since then went up, and at this point the sellers came in and took price down. However, from the look of things, price is still in the uptrend, even though they were able to bring it down, because as much as possible they could not break this, the last lower low of price. If they could have broken it, then we said the sell will have continued. So now price got to this level and then went back up, and you can see on a monthly time frame we have a bullish engulfing. And when you see something like this, it's a sign that price is strong, and you are likely to see some rallying to the top. All right. So with that being said, that is some of the things that I considered before taking a buy on Crash 300. Okay. All right. So with that being said, let's go down to the weekly time frame and see what we have there so that we can also consider it. So like you see that the weekly also experienced something like that, and then the weekly is going up after this weekly bullish engulfing. It had a very strong follow-up candle towards the top, and then the sellers seem to be coming back into the market, but from this it shows that they are not strong enough to hold and then bring price back to a bearish trend. So from all indication, you can see that the price seems to be going to the top. And like I said, this is not an analysis, this is just we're looking at what price is doing as in the term of market structure. If you want a detailed analysis, go to the description section and then chat me up on Telegram, then we'll discuss further, so you know how to go deep down into the nitty-gritty of entering the market and then taking your positions. All right, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, and if you have any question ask, I'll be responding to them. All right, guys, take care. Bye.